I welcome you all to RS News Channel. Let's see some top news headlines of this week, starting with some of the CBSE news. CBSE issues advisory against misleading claims on duplicate mark sheet certificates and document verifications. Now, some of the national news. Cabinet approves airport project at Kota Bunde in Rajasthan for 1,510 crore. Bill allowing leaseholders to mine critical minerals passed. Some of the international news. China and India should be partners, not adversaries, says Foreign Minister Wang Yi. De-escalation process at LAC must move forward, Jaishankar tells Wang. Now, some of the educational news. All the government as well as private schools of Jammu divisions will continue to remain closed for the second consecutive day on August 1st. Supreme Court forms search committee headed by Justice Shadhanshu Dhulia for Kerala University Vice Chancellor appointments. Some of the entertainment news. Baghi Fort teaser, brutal Tiger Shroff locks horns with cigar smoking Sanjay Dutt. TRP Truth, why Kyunki 2 didn't actually overtake Anupma this week. Some of the sports news. Asia Cup 2025. Gill is Surya Kumar's Dipti Bumrah returns as Shreyash and Jaiswal miss the cut. India women's squad for ODI World Cup 2025. Shefali misses out. Renuka and Anutmort get the nod. Now some of the others news. National Sports Governors Bill Gates, President Draupadi Murmu ascent details. Now last but not the least, Scout Guide news. Some students of Scouting of Raj English School was visited to Raj Bhavan Lucknow on Raksha Bandhan. Some students were honored with the prestigious title of Head Boy and Head Girl and Captain. Now let's meet after a short break. Now let's see these headlines in details. Starting with some of the CBSE news. The Central Board of Secondary Education was warned students, parents and stakeholders against misleading information regarding the issuance of duplicate mark sheets, certificates and document corrections. Now, some of the national news. The Union Cabinet has approved development of a new greenfield airport at Kota Bundi, Rajasthan at the cost of rupees 1,507 crore. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said on Tuesday, August 19, 2025. The Rajya Sabha cleared the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Ahmedabad Amendment Bill on Tuesday, August 19, 2025, when as the opposition of members walked out. Now, some of the international news. India and China should view each other as partners rather than adversaries or thieves. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi said on Monday as he arrived for 2 days to visit in Delhi. The process of withdrawing troops from the line for actual control needs to move forward. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar told Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi as the two sides began discussion to improve bilateral and trade relations in Delhi on Monday, August 18, 2025. Now, some of the education news. All the government as well as private schools of Jammu division will continue to remain closed for the second consecutive day on August 19, 2025 and adverse weather forecast for the next 24 hours. Given the statement between the Kerala government and the Kerala governor regarding the appointment of university vice chancellors, the Supreme Court on Wednesday, August 18. Now, some of entertainment news. Bollywood actor Tiger Shroff is set to return his popular character of Ronnie with the upcoming film Baghi Fort. The teaser of the film was unveiled on Monday and it promises a tiger-savage avatar of Ronnie. The weekly BARC ratings are keenly awaited not only by channel heads, producers, actors but also by fans who support. Now some of sport news. Asia Cup 2025. Shubman Gill and Jitesh Sharma were recalled to India's men's T20 setup for the Asia Cup while Yashasvi Jaiswal and Shreyas Iyer missed out. Indian women's cricket captain Harmanpreet Kaur and chief selector to announce the team for Australia ODI series and ICC Women's World Cup 2025 as the BCCI headquarters in Mumbai on August 19, 2025. Photo credit. Now some of other news. President Draupadi Murmu gave assent to the National Sports Governance Bill 2025 on August 18, 2025 started at Gazette notification by the central government. The bill which promises to revamp India. Now last, some of the Scout Guide news. Some students from Rajengrish School Scouting Group visited Raj Bhavan in Lucknow, although the exact date of their visit isn't specified as Raksha Bandhan. Now, some of the school news. At Rajengrish School, some students were honored with the prestigious titles of head boy and house captains, receiving their badges in a special ceremony. The students were recognized for their exceptional leadership qualities, academic achievements, and contributions to the school community. Thank you, and let us connected with, and stay connected with RES News.